Look what I got net. Hello everybody, this is Glenda with Fralins and Friends Crafts Plus. How are you doing? Please in the comments tell me what was your favorite thing that happened to you today or that you did. For me, sleeping. Yep, I didn't sleep last night very good at all. Usually I fall asleep early morning, but I don't think I fell asleep till like 6 this morning. Anyway, look what I got net. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do tonight. I got this one still needs its ribbons, but I got this done. So I've got 2 of them now. So, and I borrowed these markers. These are fabric markers that I borrowed from my sister, excuse me. All I need to do is to put eyes, nose, and mouth on these bears. And I've got to get rid of this little hiccup that's trying to find its way up. Okay. It's one of those where you just get 1 or 2 hiccups and then it goes away. Which I'm glad it go away, but it just keeps you guessing. I'm just trying to make some kind of the pen don't work. The pen don't work. That one does. Okay. I just want to make some kind of an idea of the size of the face. There's another ear over here. I know it's not exact, but what I want to do is get an idea of how close together. Yeah. I want to get an idea of how close together to put these things. I thought I'd practice on here first. Looks weird, don't it? Okay. See, if I do like this and I do the sleepy bear, and let's see. I don't know. Those markers may not be that fine. But generally the bears I've seen have been more just one line for a mouth. They don't have like a cat that's got. Know what I mean? Probably not. They do have this stitch here. Or if I do the open eye, I think it'd be easier to do I think it would be easier for me to do the closed eye, the sleepy eye. I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to, these are fabric markers, which means they're supposed to stay in there. And I'm not going to be doing it on paper. I'm going to be doing it, or on just any fabric. I'm going to be doing it on fleece. I'm getting fleeced. Okay, guess what? These are rainbow. Let's see how dark this is. Oh, that's dark enough. Okay. Are you with me? I'm going to try and get this face on this one. Okay, let's do the sleepy eye. See there? This is the thing that gets me, is these little fleecy bits. I'm going to have to let them dry good. Oh, might be a little bit bigger. Yeah. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. There. How's that look? I think he's kind of cute, actually. Looks almost like a koala. I can't exactly undo and redo, so I just have to be try and do the best I can the first time out. I think he looks pretty cute. Okay. Let's see if I can do as good a job on the next one. Let you have more room to see. Okay, they're not, none of them are exactly the same. I think this one has a little bit bigger ears than this one. That one has a wider face. So I just have to kind of do the best I can. Oh, I went both the same way on that one, but not gonna worry now. Okay. Nose. Oh, no, no, no. I can't redo this. I should have been looking at it the whole time. What in the world? Let's see. I don't know what I'm hearing. It sounds like my oxygen's kind of going on and off, which it doesn't do. It must be my ear. I don't know, guys. I guess it's okay. It's definitely not as good as the first one. But I'm not going to mess it up anymore, that's for sure. I don't think it's messed up. I think it's cute. It's just, I was happier with that one. Okay, one more. One more bear. This one, oh boy. He hasn't got his ribbons to do this yet. Let's do. Anything so far? Look what I'm doing. So I can actually see what I'm doing this time. He's not bad. I like him. Three little bears. That's it for tonight. I'm going to do the bows on this guy a different time, because right now I don't want to smudge that marker. I really just don't want to smudge that marker. So I'm going to wait on him. But I think we've got some cute bears. Yeah, some might be a little more lopsided than others, but it really looks more that way than it is. I think I just need to do some playing with it to get it to form a little better, or a little rounder. There, I think he looks a little bit better. So, for an amateur bear maker, I don't think they're terrible. And I think they'll be just great for the little ones. This one I've got to think, why does it only have one arm? It's because I did stitch this arm, but I haven't yet stitched this arm. So that's another thing I have to do. I gotta have a little fun with myself and with you guys, or it's just not a good night. Well, it's a good night, but you know what I mean. Just gotta make some fun. So I hope everybody has had a nice day, and I hope you have a nice rest of this day, and I will see you tomorrow with, I don't know, maybe I'm hoping that I'll get these done off camera, because I only have one left to sew the bows and the ribbon around the neck onto. I'm going to make those other two necklaces, but I think I've actually got enough. But I think I'm going to go ahead and make those other two necklaces. So, with all that said and done, I hope you enjoyed watching me put faces on these bears. And I think the little ones will like them. That better set in. It's a fabric marker. So I hope to gosh it sets in really good, because I don't want little fingers getting all black. And mommy's getting all mad. So, anyway, thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. I love you all. Good night. Be kind to somebody. Smile and wave.